This video looks at adding fittings to ductwork runs. So if we specifically concentrate on the supply run, in the edit menu, if it's my intention to put fire dampers in all the fire rated partitions, I can go to the edit menu and then select duct fittings and place various symbols. I select a fire damper from the listing, select insert, I click once in the partition position. I can then use the standard K value which I can apply, or I can put a resistance. And then I repeat the process with each separate partition. If I want to put a volume control damper in, first of all we would want to know the pressure at the appropriate section so we can balance the system. To do this, I want to know the duct numbers, so I can go to display options and I can display on the ductwork duct numbers and grill numbers. I can then go to the display menu and select schedules on the supply system as the last calculated system. And then I can see the residual pressures required for the balancing at each part. So let's say, for example, I want to balance grill number 8, which is this one here. What I do, when I put the balancing damper in on the branch, I put the resistance in relating to the balancing pressure in the tables of 19.3 pascals. Edit, duct fittings, select the damper, insert, select the duct, and then insert that residual pressure I'm balancing against of 19.3 pascals. We then rerun the calculation and update, then view the schedule. We can then see we've now absorbed the pressure at that branch. So we would repeat for each and every branch. We could actually do it. You may have, obviously manufacturers have volume control dampers on their grill, so if you have a short run you may not have a damper. You would merely apply that to the grill when placing it, so you would add that extra resistance at this point here. So we've already applied 15, so you would apply the addition to the 15 pascals to balance the system. Special pressure drops can also be applied to emulate the resistance of the air handling unit. So if I view to the floor below, as I've already added a fitting to this run of duct, you can only have one special fitting per duct. So I would need to break the duct. So all I need to do is insert ducts, double click on the duct just to break it, making sure of course I'm on the supply menu. So I'll go to File, Insert, and make sure I'm on the supply system, and then insert a duct, double click. That breaks the duct, so I can now edit duct fitting, put a special resistance in, select the duct and apply my resistance. Well, I might want to emulate the air handling unit itself. Display calculate, and that updates the supply system.